Guys, today we're going to talk about some important accessories that you must have if you're an iPhone owner. Yes, if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max Mini, this is the right video for you. Even though this mobile is the real deal, there are also a lot of accessories that can surely up your experience and take your phone on a whole other level. If you're interested in any of the products you see in this video, you can find the link in the description. Stay with us and find out about the 10 must-have iPhone 12 Pro, Max, and Mini accessories. Number 10. AirPods Pro. They're literally perfect! AirPods Pro fit so nicely on the ears and provide the best sound ever. They are a literal game changer. These are perfect when used with an iPhone, and that is due to the special features Apple possesses, such as the exceptional audio of various Apple's features, the ability to read messages, and their world-renowned quality of product. These are the ones you really need as an iPhone accessory in order to be able to listen to music without any sound irregularities, or when you want to have the best sound experience ever. Trust us, the AirPods Pro are perfect for you, and they're a perfect match with the combination of your iPhone. Number 9. Vulcanic Charging Cable. We previously mentioned and mostly focused on the modern ways of charging your iPhone, the wireless charging, but let's be honest, the old ways of cable charging are also suitable too. Especially with this Vulcanic charging cable, you are going to have a safer and easier charging experience than ever before. It represents the official iPhone charger, but you can also use it for your iPods and MacBooks too. Typically, this cable is created from various neodymium magnet adapters, so for the price of one, you can have a charger that can be used for multiple devices without any problem. It can save you money and time, that's for sure. It also provides reversible, fast charging, and not only that, but it is created out of so many bulletproof materials, which make it very durable and an absolutely must-have product. Number 8. Power Adapter. This is also one of the most important gadgets you need to have for your iPhone. We're talking particularly about the Spigen Power Adapter PowerArc ArcStation Pro that provides you with a really nice option, a PowerArc wall adapter. It might cost the same as an Apple Power Adapter, but they're quite different. The benefit of having the Spigen Power Adapter is that it is quite a lot smaller and adaptable than the iPhone's adapter. And as a further option, the Spigen one folds up, or you can also pop it open and it's ready for usage. Furthermore, you can save $5 if you purchase it with an Amazon coupon, so instead of $20, you'll get it for $15. Number 7. Wireless Charger. MagSafe Charger is one of the best gadgets for your iPhone. It represents the newest and the easiest way to charge your mobile phone. Because nowadays phones have magnets, you can drop them there without making any particular effort. And voila, your phone is charging, just like that. Maybe it sounds weird, but we're still talking about an actual wireless charger. And why is that so cool? Because just remember how boring it was with the previous wireless chargers. You needed to search for the right spot and lost time with that for sure. With this MagSafe charger, you are about to have the best and the easiest charging experience ever. You just pop it on, and it automatically finds the right spot, so it makes it so easy when it comes to charging your iPhone. Number 6. Belkin Car Vent Mount Pro. Guys, you're probably going to agree with us on how important it is to have a perfect gadget that will help you manage your iPhone while driving, right? With this device, you are about to be able to focus on your road and have a navigator and iPhone charger at the same time. How fascinating is that? We're talking about the Belkin Car Vent Mount Pro, which is one of the must-have accessories for your iPhone, and that's for sure. You'll now be able to drive safely and also have your phone charged with full battery non-stop. Number 5. Silicone Case with MagSafe. The Silicone Case with MagSafe is one of the best options when it comes to buying a case for your iPhone. It's going to provide you with an unforgettable experience. Your phone will be protected in every way. It won't slip out of your hands so easily, and since Apple actually made it, it's one of the best options if you're comparing between some other Apple cases. Furthermore, with the new iPhone, you're getting that MagSafe feature thanks to these phenomenal cases. If you didn't know or somehow you hadn't heard about the MagSafe feature, it is that white circle in the center of the case, so you're going to be able to add some accessories that have magnets on them. Number 4. Finger Grip iPhone Case. Guys, let's be honest, no one wants to drop their newly bought iPhone and break it. But you know how smooth they're created, and that's, unfortunately, really likely to happen if you don't equip your mobile with some accessories that'll prevent it from happening. So now, we're about to present you with one of the best ways for you to keep your mobile safe, the Momo Stick Grip Case. Guys, this is one of the best accessories you can have for your iPhone. This mobile case is excellent, created in such a way that it is simultaneously extremely comfortable and extremely protected. It also represents the slimmest iPhone finger grip case that provides you with the ability to hold your mobile securely in your hands and never care if it will slip and break. No more stress, just purchase this perfect iPhone case. Number 3. Perfect Glass Screen Protector. We all know that a glass screen protector is one of the most important things when it comes to the safety of your mobile. Actually, it is indeed the most important part of it. We're talking about the tempered glass you can find in your local mobile shops or even on Amazon. It's not expensive at all, but also so important to have. It protects your screen from scratches, breaking, or any other occurrence that could happen to it. If it were to, unfortunately, slip somehow out of your hand. Definitely a must-have product. Number 2. SANDMARC Wide Lens. We all know how powerful the iPhone camera actually is, but if you want to take even better pictures, then this device is for you. The SANDMARC Wide Lens is going to take your photographing experience to a whole new level. It is created from premium multi-coated optics, and because of its wideness, provides jaw-dropping, sharp, and concise images. If you're someone who travels a lot and loves to take pictures, this is a must-have product for you. The moment you attach the SANDMARC Wide Lens to your phone, you are instantly ready to create perfect night mode pictures and videos without any further editing needed. It is so easy to use, and you can take it everywhere with you. Number 1. iPhone Portable Charger. Everyone needs a portable charger, right? Nowadays, without it, it's so hard to function because we're using our mobile phone 24/7 for many different things. Maybe you work on your phone, or maybe you use it mainly for recreation, or perhaps you're traveling a lot, or just spending most of the day out. Then this is the right thing for you. And if you're an iPhone user, then one pretty functional portable charger that we're going to recommend to you is the one and only RAVPower iPhone 12 PD Pioneer. It is absolutely compact and also possesses a USB PD that is one of the most important things when it comes to this device, because it makes it more powerful, and due to that, your iPhone is going to be charged faster than ever. And what's best about it is that it possesses a built-in screen that tells you how much power you have left. On a related note, we wanted to know which of these products is your favorite one from our list. You can tell us in the comment section below. If you'd like more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of them. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.